Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 2 of Eitan's outdoor summer cookout. I'm super excited. Last week we made this incredible hummus, and this week we're making the ultimate summer drink. And this time I have my first guest, who is Leah Forster, easily one of my favorite comedians. Leah, come in here. Let's get in the kitchen. I'm so excited to have Leah. All right, so Leah, I'm super excited to have you. Do you want to introduce yourself to everyone?
Hello, hello, and that's all I have to say.
Leah is a comedian. You do Instagram and stand-up comedy?
Instagram, stand-up, I got a special coming out, shows, I've been flying around the country touring.
It's super cool. Every Tuesday, Leah posts these videos called Untitled Tuesday. It is hilarious. You should all follow her on Instagram. I'll put all her information down below.
Let me just preface, the difference between a Heimish person and a Goyish person is he says tichel.
How do you pronounce it?
Tichel.
Oh, sorry.
Tichel. Thank
yes,
you.
However you pronounce it, it's very funny.
Tichel lives matter.
Let's get started. So today we are making a frozen mango margarita.
I'm about that life.
Yes, it is perfect for like sitting by the pool or just drinking. There's no
just
alcohol
like
in
chilling,
this.
you know what I'm saying? With a little margarita doing our thing.
Yes, there's no alcohol in this obviously, but for those of you adults, you can add if you'd like.
Well, as Natasha would say, it's very disappointing. No alcohol, что такое? No alcohol.
That's one of Leah's characters. Okay, so I think let's just get started. Perfect. All right, so right over here in our blender, Leah, can you add in our frozen mango?
Oh my God, I'm like the errand boy. Can you add in? Do you notice how I'm not given any real responsibilities? I'm just told to like add stuff.
Are you good? Do you cook at home at all?
No, you tell me what to do.
All right, so yeah, add that straight in there. Now, do you cook at home at all?
I do.
You do? What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pizza from the store.
That's always good. All right, are you good with knives?
Yes,
Yes?
I am.
Okay, perfect. So can you cut two of these limes in half and then squeeze the juice into there? Okay, so while Leah is squeezing in our limes, I'm going to prepare our glasses. So we have some margarita glasses over here, Leah. And now we're using this chili lime seasoning. And this kind of gives like a nice little bit of heat, little bit of like citrusy to
As
complement it.
Hadassah would say, like a kick. You know, Baruch Hashem, like a kick. You know?
Exactly. Now, to stick this on, over here I have some agave nectar. And the reason I like to use agave nectar is traditionally in a margarita, sometimes they will use tequila, which is made from agave. So since we can't use tequila...
Another reason I would never be a blogger, I would say agave and tequila.
The way you pronounce words, I love pronunciation.
Agave and tequila. There's nothing better than delicious tequila.
Exactly. So to kind of mimic the flavor in tequila with the agave, I also use agave nectar and then just dip it into the chili lime seasoning. And just covering that rim will add such an incredible flavor. And just look at that.
Damn!
Yeah, how good
that's
does that
looking
look?
fun,
Yeah,
girl.
This looks like something that you get at like a fancy bar that's probably like $12. And at home, this will probably cost you like what? Like a few bucks to make?
I mean, listen, we're Jewish. It's
Yeah.
about saving them dough.
Exactly.
It's a good thing I worked out before I came.
Okay. I always say cooking is a workout, especially like when I make anything like hummus or guacamole or using a mortar and pestle. Are we not getting enough juice out of those?
No, we are.
Oh, we are?
I just have to.
Yeah, it's a workout. That's what I say. Like, I don't need to work out. I just cook and eat. Like, at my school, the way that people always like, Eitan, how do you not like weigh 1,000 pounds from eating at school all day? It's because I run to the cafeteria in between classes. So.
Oh, honey.
That's my exercise.
I would run to the cafeteria and still manage to eat. You know those people like, I forgot to eat.
Yeah,
I never forgot to eat in my life, ever.
Yeah, I would agree with that. That is not me. All right, so I think we got all that juice in.
I did it.
Looks good. Now, can you pour in a bunch of this orange juice right over here? And I'm going to add in a little bit of agave nectar and some honey. Again, if you don't have agave, you can just substitute with honey. If you don't have honey, you can use agave, really anything. I just like to add a little more sweetness into there. Got a double action going.
Damn,
Perfect.
my techniques are on point.
Yeah, Leia's a good chef. Maybe Chef Leah in the future. All right, let's see if the honey. It's a little slow.
It's good. It's the way it should be. In
Right
life,
here.
we need to take things
Yeah,
slow.
we gotta take I talk fast enough, so maybe this
As
honey's trying to tell
my
me.
rabbi would say, if you want things to be sweet, aka honey, you gotta go slow.
Exactly. So we got that in there. Perfect. And all right, I think that's it. Let's go. So watch, we're gonna put this right on top. And do you want to do the honor of clicking the button right over here? Get ready.
I got this.
It's gonna be fun. There we go. She's a chef, everyone. All right, now let's just mix this around. Oh. I forgot the most important ingredient. Ice. Let's just add that into here.
Ice, baby.
Exactly. Thank you for adding some music so we don't have to use the real music for copyright reasons. Okay, just shake that around. All right, there we go. The drink is now basically done. While Leah was doing that, I just cut up some limes. So let's just now pour this into here. And now, how easy was that? Isn't this super easy?
That is really easy.
Like, takes absolutely no
Eitan,
time at all.
You are rocking it.
So I always think for the summer, you don't want to be slaving over food as much. You just kind of want to get it going. So let's pour that into there. And look how nice and thick this drink is. It's thick with like 20 C's at the end. Here we go.
Thick,
Whoa.
you know what I'm saying?
All right.
That actually looks really delicious and summery
Super
and fresh.
refreshing. Yes. Now let's just put that there. And then I just like to top it off here. You can top yours off right over here with a little piece of lime. And wait, hold up. There's one last thing. A little fresh sprig of mint. You can grab your own if you want.
Fancy people, bougie people.
Yeah, you got to make it a little bougie. Like if you were going to like a bar, they would add these little things and make you charge like 15 bucks for it when you could just easily do it at home. All right, that is how easy it is. I think we should just dig in.
Hello, hello.
How good. Cheers. L'chaim.
L'chaim. I love the little punch. I actually do love this little.
It's a necessity.
Oh, it's like a mix of sweet and tangy. Eitan, you're hired.
It is so
Seriously.
delicious. It is super. Do I have food all over my mouth? Probably. I do. That's okay. It is super refreshing. The frozen drink.
I just want to say this is where the Jewish mommy in me comes in. I'm looking for like a napkin.
A napkin? We have
To
napkins.
be like, Eitan, Bubby, you can't go out in public like that. Hello?
Well, you know, they see the drink, so it's all good. And I love how it's kind of like almost like a slushy-ish, like
Really
cool
good.
texture. It is super delicious. All right, we're just gonna enjoy our drinks out here in the summer heat. This was super fun.
L'chaim, l'chaim, l'chaim.
Literally.
L'chaim, l'chaim, to life.
Cheers. All right, so I'm now out here with Leah's daughter, Cindy, and we are drinking up these drinks that are super delicious. This was so much fun. This is like the perfect thing for summer.
You know those people that are like, and then the minute the camera stops rolling, they're like, bleh. This is good off camera.
Thank you.
You killed it.
Thank you. Yes, this is super delicious. As
I right?
always, the link to the full recipe is in the description box below. And thank you so much for coming on, Leah. This was so fun.
Eitan, I got a gift for you. This
I'm
is sold
excited.
out everywhere.
Ooh, the hello merch.
You know what I'm
I'm
saying?
super excited. I'll be wearing this. Stay tuned on my Instagram stories. You will see me wearing these. Speaking of Instagram stories, I will link all of Leah and Cindy's Instagram and all their information down below for you guys to give them a follow. As always, the link to the full recipes in the description box below. And hit that big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, the same color as Leah's sweatshirt. You should click it to be the first to know when I post new videos. I'm posting these videos throughout the summer. Eitan's Outdoor Summer Cookout. It's going to be so much fun. Next week, we are making an absolutely delicious dish with an awesome guest. Stay tuned. See you guys Monday and Thursday. All right, I think we should just finish our drinks.
That was amazing.
Thank you. All right.
Oh, are you? Well, that was amazing. I can say that on camera. You killed it.
Thank
Besides
you.
for the fact that you talk 80 billion miles an hour. Sheesh.